Hi everybody, today we are going to be doing a quick review of the strategies that we've learned for figuring out multiplication problems. The first one is using a model. So when we first began looking at multiplication, we used the big purple circle and then put our dots on the inside to represent whatever it was that we were doing. Today you're going to use a combination of rectangles with things in them or circles with things in them. Basically, you are drawing a model of what your problem is. So let's look at this real quick. It says when you combine groups, you can add to find how many in all. So you could do 2 plus 2 plus 2 to figure out this problem, because I have 2 dots plus 2 dots plus 2 dots. Or you can also multiply to find how many groups in all when you combine equal groups. So I have 3 groups of 2 dots. So 3 groups of 2 equals 6 dots. The factors are 3 and 2, and the product is 6. So you have 2 different strategies you can do there. You can do repeated addition this way, or you could do multiplication. 3 groups of 2 equals 6. Either way, you get your answer. Today on your work on ClassKick, you will not see these problems. These are examples. You'll be doing different problems. I would like for you to please draw the model. That's the strategy. You're drawing a model. And then you're going to be doing the repeated addition and the multiplication. So let's do a couple of them together. So it says, write related addition and multiplication sentences for the model. So they've done the model on these examples. The model is already done for us. So I need to count it up. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 2 dots each, right? There's 2 dots in each one. So I have 4 groups of 2. So if I'm adding that, I need to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That's my 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 2. So what's 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What if I wanted to write the multiplication? Well, I've already written it in words. I have 4 groups. There should be an S on that. 4 groups of 2. So 4. Remember, the multiplication sign stands for groups of 2. So what is 4 times 2? That would be 8. 4 and 2 are my factors. 8 is my product. Okay, we're going to do one more. First, I need to figure out how many groups I have. I have 1, 2, 3 groups. So 3 groups of, how many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3 groups of 4. So how am I going to write this down here? Well, each one of these lines in repeated addition is for my groups. I have 3 groups of 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 more is 12. Or I could write a multiplication problem. I already know my factors. I have 3 groups of 4. So 3, remember multiplication sign stands for groups of 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 and 4 are my factors. 12 is my product. All right. You are going to see more like this one that we're fixing to do. It's going to give you a sentence. You have to draw a quick picture to show equal groups, then write related addition and multiplication sentences. So 4 groups of 3. Okay, I need 4 groups of 3 things. I drew my quick picture. Check. Now I need to write related addition and multiplication sentences. All right, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. Learn your multiplication facts, my friends. It will so help you out whenever you start doing all of the multiplication and division that we're going to be doing. So 4 groups of 3 is 12, or I can write 4 groups of 3. 4, remember this stands for groups of. 4 times 3, 4 and 3 are my factors. 12 is my product. All right, I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek. This is what you're going to see on your work today. It gives you the sentence. You have to draw the picture and write the sentences, please. You also have something a little different. It just says complete. Write a multiplication sentence, which means you do not have to draw the picture, but you can draw a picture if it helps you. And then down here, it is problem solving, and it looks like they are looking for a multiplication sentence. So your 2 products and your 2 factors and your product. Okay. When you finish with this page, move on to the next slide.